What's up, guys? This is from Passive Profits. Thank you. In this video, I am going to continue my hype on M1 Finance, the investment app, which is a great app for beginners of all types. What is M1 Finance, you ask? This robo-investor app is relatively new to the investment scene. M1 Finance launched in 2016. They are a robo-advising investment platform that offers simplicity, customized control. They've made themselves stand out. Guys, using below, when you open an account with M1 Finance, you get $30 when you deposit your first $100. The link is definitely in the description down below. And you'll have the option to choose from 80 different pies M1 Finance. Create your own. Each of these pies were developed by experts to create various portfolio allocations that can help you achieve your financial goals. Each pie is made of a blend of stocks. This is very helpful for me to set it, and then each individual you also have more hands on it with it's. I get this question a lot. M1 Finance good for beginners? The answer is yes. It is wow. M1 Finance is a great investment platform. Reasons. Number one, it is free to open an account. Link is in the description below. Opening an account with M1 Finance is completely free. If you hit that link, you'll get $30. The link is in the description. Yes. Without a referral link, you lose out. Now that I clarified my call to action, there are 0 for M1 Finance. They do not charge any fees for commission or trades either. There are some miscellaneous charges for things like requesting paper statements, IRA conversions, etc. Low account minimums. M1 Finance offers very low account minimums. I've noticed M1 Finance really helps with knowledge about the tax burden and capital gains. Anyway, retirement accounts require an initial investment of $500. Other taxable initial deposit that $105. Shameless plug. Available M1 Finance. The following two account types. Print accounts is number 2, and traditional Roth IRA trusts. You get started with M1 Finance. Ask, it's not that hard. If you are investing, then you can get started by simply following these steps. Number 1, create an account. Number 2, link your bank. If you've already, you can choose to simply open an account or roll over or transfer an existing account. M1 Finance is really free. They actually pay you. So yes, it makes sense. Bottom line, M1 Finance is a great investment platform for most investors, including with low minimum balance, 0 commissions, 0 money. You can also smash. I'd appreciate any of your comments, and you'll get more videos like this that tell you the things that I really like. If you can't tell right now, my videos are all about M1 Finance. I'm really trying to get the masses up with this app. It's helped me a lot. Thank you.